Welcome to Travel Love Discounts. Subscribe to the channel and like for exclusive holiday discounts. Contact us now. Siena, the picturesque Tuscan city, captivates visitors with its medieval alleys, artistic masterpieces, and authentic Italian atmosphere. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the most charming places and must-have experiences in Siena, providing all the useful information to make your trip unforgettable. Places to visit: Piazza del Campo and Palazzo Pubblico. Begin your journey in the renowned Piazza del Campo, the city's heart and home to Palazzo Pubblico, an extraordinary medieval residence. Siena Cathedral. Admire the magnificent Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, a masterpiece of Italian Gothic art with its polychrome marble facade. Basilica of San Domenico. Visit this Gothic basilica and discover the Chapel of Santa Caterina, housing treasures dedicated to Siena's patron saint. Fonte Gaia. Relax at Fonte Gaia, a Renaissance fountain in Piazza del Campo, adorned with sculptures by Jacopo della Quercia. Torre del Mangia. Challenge yourself to climb the 400 steps of this medieval tower for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. Things to do: attend the Palio. If you visit Siena during the right time, witness the Palio, an exciting horse race held in Piazza del Campo. Stroll through the alleys. Lose yourself in Siena's medieval alleys, discovering quaint cafes, artisan shops, and authentic Tuscan restaurants. Museo dell'Opera Metropolitana. Explore this museum housing artworks from the Siena Cathedral, including Duccio's majestic Maestà. Walk on the walls. Take a leisurely walk on Siena's medieval walls for panoramic views of the city and surrounding countryside. Tuscan cooking classes. Immerse yourself in gastronomic culture by participating in Tuscan cooking classes to learn the secrets of local cuisine. Useful tips: transportation. Siena is easily explored on foot, but if you want to visit the surrounding areas, consider renting a car or using public transportation. Climate. Tuscan weather can vary, so bring clothing suitable for the seasons. Language. Italian is the main language, but many people in tourist areas also speak English. Safety. Siena is a safe city, but like in any tourist location, be mindful of your belongings. Opening hours. Check the opening hours of attractions as they may vary. Conclusion. Siena captures the hearts of visitors with its timeless beauty and welcoming atmosphere. Whether strolling through Piazza del Campo or savoring Tuscan flavors in a traditional restaurant, Siena offers an authentic experience. Let yourself be enchanted by this Tuscan gem and discover why it's one of Italy's most captivating cities.